If you're exposed to any of the following substances or similar substances, immediately seek out an eye wash. These units are best used for exposure to dust, sawdust, or similar airborne particulates, most commonly found in warehouses, paint shops, and construction sites. Immediately after exposure, begin moving towards the nearest eye wash and shout for help. Once you've reached the eye wash, turn it on by utilizing the manufacturer's method for activation. The eye wash should activate immediately. Remove any personal protective equipment you may have been wearing and use your fingers to spread your eyelids as far as possible and roll your eyes in a circular motion to ensure maximum effectiveness of the eye wash streams. Continue using the eye wash until 15 minutes has passed. Call emergency services when the flushing is complete if it has not already been done for you. Be sure to inform the first responders of what you were exposed to right away.